All right, ladies and gentlemen, this here is day number 1 at the Fort Worth Motorcycle Expo and Swap Meet. This here's J.R. Miller's knife sharpening. Stainless steel rings from the world's end. And motorcycle parts and motorcycle parts. Lots of motorcycle parts. Lots of motorcycle parts. This here's our event sponsor, Motorcycle Lawyers, Law Tigers. And parts wherever you see them. Son of a gun. Paparazzi. Old motorcycle parts and gearboxes.
How you doing, Red?
I better. This is take number 3 here. I get stopped every time. Motorcycle parts and motorcycle parts. More piles of motorcycle parts. Stacks of seats. Leather conditioners. Rings. Bandanas. Motorcycles. And motorcycles. And piles of parts. You're fine. More jewelry, a lot of lady stuff out here. Good batch of shirts, blouses, earrings, pant sales. How do? A lot of motorcycle parts. Oh, I like that mat. A lot of good stuff. Ceramics. Boy, if you need Harley parts, you can find it here. Ooh, look at that ring vendor. Some Finn Panhead pants. They're sitting out front. They know they're worth something. Here's a red cart worth going out. $5 t-shirts. That's bargains. And man, I might have to pan across this pile. Jap bikes, $100 and up. And motorcycle parts and motorcycle parts. Polished S&S. Transmissions. More damn Jap bikes.
I've been buying a lot of shit. Yeah.
And here's Papa's Leather out of Oklahoma City. Man, they got them a 600 square foot booth over here. I got a shop that ain't that big. And Actually, they extend all the way up to the top. Still hauling stuff. I got one of them carts. I love that. I love them carts. Cheap too. Parts up here by the door. Yeah. That's kind of an overview of the building. Here's leather legs out of the panhandle. Boy, they got belts and goodies and rings and all kinds of interesting stuff. Cool. Nice pile. Oh, now this is a fun one here. This here is Keith War Eagle's pile. I mean, used cowboy boots and interesting stuff. All kinds of collectibles. He does a lot of really interesting collectible stuff. He scours all over Oklahoma. He's from Oklahoma City. He scours all the flea markets in them little towns in Oklahoma. There's all kinds of neat stuff all over this. And a pile of Harley parts up front. Shooting a video here, Engine. How you doing?
Bueno.
Yeah, bueno and mucho dinero?
Yeah.
Cool.
Poquito.
Cool.
Hey, that black eyed peas, they were bad.
Oh, that was very good. Thank you.
I want some fucking
Good.
more.
Yeah.
Well,
We had to fight over in the hotel room last night.
you gotta get more from Evelyn. And more Jap bikes. Please come by tomorrow and buy some Jap bikes. They're probably cheaper by the dozen. More parts, more interesting stuff. We're still in Keith War Eagle's pile here. All sorts of interesting hanging stuff on the wall. Old Harley Davidson little guy stuff. Totes and totes and totes and dollar t-shirts. Look at this, $5 for $5. Well, how about that? Sportster motors, Yamahas. Lord love a duck, what a pile. Interesting. Another day at the office. How you be? Nice pile there. How you do? How you do? Fire strikers. Those are good little saddlebag deals, you know. You can make a fire with, you know, better like kind of rubbing two sticks together, but you use magnesium. More parts, more parts. A-bait, Bug Slide, Doc Bailey's, Blaze, Anti-Foams, youngsters hauling parts out. More parts.
Call from +19727750655.
More parts. Hey, good looking pile you got. Oh, more leathers, more shirts. Percussion massagers. Interesting. Next to the Amsoil. Next to the Market Fresh Foods. Look at that. And here's your patch lady. And headbands and headbands. Cool. How you do? And oh, look, a go-kart frame. Cool. Powder coated cups. Oh, that's nice. Beef jerky helps support his hot rod mini bike project. And this here is Soto's. Full house here. More patches and more patches and more patches. Niles knives. This guy makes some quality knives. Beautiful finish. Okay. And dream catchers and all kinds of interesting stuff. And if you need windows, here's some windows. Hey y'all. And finishing the tour with the Sons of the Confederate Veterans. Thank you very much. Gates are open 9 to 5 today, and we'll be open from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock on Sunday, January the 3rd. See y'all later. This year is from the Fort Worth Motorcycle Expo and Swap Meet. Adios.